a very, very quick one. One night you can nga one for ihimemba no. Ahia Kenneth Chukwuemeka Nwachukwu. Onya wo the zonal chairman of APC. The zonal chairman of APC, Okigwe zone. Okigwe zonal chairman of APC. I hear this man. Oh. And this man, ekidinapria since February 28th, 2025. Till today. Amahama this man odendo. Amahama this man on upon ego niile nde kidinapria na the family. Upon ego niile nde kidinapro this man na the family, which is amounting up to 13-14 million. Amamina agota almost 13-14 million naira. Kahanara make it not produce man. But at the end of the day, Kahanara Cherego ransom. Road today. Onwebe honye no this man. Phone hand is communicating the family with the kidnappers. Onaza gaga. Amahama this man odendo. Amahama this man on. And this man is a top official of APC in Imo State. The zonal chairman of APC. Okigwe zone. Okigwe zone. You know, now, in the course of investigation, I've asked the family, what have the police done? Police, they are aware. When police DSS is aware of this case. Even APC Imo State, they are aware of this case. Government, they are aware of this case. Come be February, rule now. They have abandoned the family of this man. Mande political associate yo, my friends yo, my well-wishers yo, mande na abia no laya yo, mande na abia no de kamera no mo we ha gerite na aka ase onye shi HND APC no Okigwe so. Onwe huzi, everybody have abandoned this family to their fate. And as I'm talking to you now, when this man no critically down na hospital. When this man the critically down na hospital. One year with the bonwe CC hammer, wrote today. And if care is not taken, one year with Ike, and a quokumpa, and a quokuma, Manachireka Equela. Chirekaga Hequenu. What am I trying to say? I am appealing to Ndeni Lemo Wonyo Wuji this man, Maundiji this man. I am appealing to you. Now you that they have abandoned him. Friends have abandoned him. Family have abandoned him. Well-wishers have abandoned him. Political friends, political associates, political this and that. The business associates here have abandoned him to his fate. I am appealing that you release this man. I am appealing that you release this man. You guys have collected ransom, mounting to millions. Let it be on your conscience as human beings that you have collected ransom since it is kidnapped. If it is kidnapped, that you kidnapped him, then you should release him. The man. Can the family wear closure? I'm no nebule this man come with February 20. I'm no nebule monona hununaka. Unebuputa no zie. Monebuputa cheputa no boya. So that the family can bury this man. Mauru nune buole the man. Unebuputa ozie n'ụzọ. Cheputa no boya n'ụzọ. Ka family emana no onwuola. So that they will have closure. This man I am appealing on behalf of the family on the ground that because even his own party have abandoned him, even his own political friends and political associates have abandoned him, friends, well-wishers have abandoned him, business associates here have abandoned him. Since they have abandoned him, I am appealing that you release him. I am appealing that you release him. I am neku. Makana mam nandeji kuonya. My family very well. Uno my very well. Ọwụrụ na ihe a political kidnap, not because of politics ka ejiri kidnap ya. And na ọ ka dị ndụ n'aka unu. Biko nu, release enu this man. Ọwụrụkwa unu na-egbuolie, send the message across. Ka amara na ọnwụọla. Ọwụ ozi unu ebupụtana ya. Ọwụ akpụkpụ unu achịpụtana ya. The family achịrị ya nu jelie, nwee closure. Ha emechi obi. Karawa n'obi. But they have been in agony since February 20th. They have been in agony. Even nwa ya nwaanyị emechara bo nwa ya nwaanyị ebubo na ya mere ejiri kidnap mpa ya. Emechara me nwa ya nwaanyị arrest. Eburu nwa ya nwaanyị ze Zonal. Before Tiger Base eje butekwo ndị ọzọ ma onye asị enwetara ndị ji POS emegenta emege imo. Because ndị pool ego na account of the man, he send out to one POS girl like that. I know kwara na ejidere onye nke but amahụ me mechara tọhapụ ya. Because anọ m na anụ na atọhapụrụ onye ejidere about this case. So ebu na ahụ na that even the government and the police and DSS have abandoned this man. Release is enu ni enu. They have abandoned him now. Government emeni abandon. Police emeni abandon. DSS emeni abandon. Because all these cases, police man. But since February 20th till today, 7 months, we be hearing about it. You can't go be police. You can't go be DSS. You can't go no now. You can't go be government. You can't go no now. Release is no this man. Kwani. Una natala nego. Una natala ego. Release no the man. You know, release enia. Or kwanu no egbuole. Na chiputa no zi chiputa ogbu ya na ka the family wey closure. Oh, they be always that's where I am going to. So that the family will have closure. Ka bi olilanya na anaghị agwụ agwụ because the thing ihe na-egbu mmadụ ọsịsọ olilanya na anaghị agwụ agwụ. You keep thinking, keep hoping. At the end of the day, onwe ihe ga-ahụ. It doesn't make sense. I'm appealing. Biko nu. Kpọpụta no this man. Kpọpụta no this man. Kpọpụta no this man. Ọkwa na ọ nwụọla. Unu ebupụta n'ozi ya. Chepụta na ọkpụkpụ ya. Ka ndị nwe eje lie ya. Ndewo.